one city week this week, heading to Denver before heading back to Washington. I've received, these planes need to quiet it down. I've gotten a number of questions after posting my videos about making partner. What does it take to actually make partner? What are the key skills that somebody needs to potentially be a partner in PwC or any Big Four accounting firm or law firm? So we're going to talk to a number of partners this week to ask them what do they think that it takes to make partner. So let's go to Denver and talk to some partners. I made it to Denver. It's about 9:45. Feeling a little bit late. Before we get into the primary content for this week, let me just remind people that making partner is not the end-all be-all of somebody's career. Making partner is certainly a career milestone, but it is not the only indication of a successful career. Everybody has different goals and desires with respect to his or her own career. I challenge you to find yours, find your passion, find what you want to do. It's kind of a weird angle, isn't it? Kind of fun, though. All right, I'm going to go to bed. Look who we found, Richard McGinnis.
Just happened to be lying around.
Just happened to be lying around the hotel lobby. What year did you make partner?
87.
1987. All right, that was before most of my audience was born. A lot of people that have worked for you and with you have made partner.
That's because I made them do all the work.
And so they've learned.
So they learned.
Yeah. So is the advice, do the work?
Do the work.
Roll up your sleeves?
Absolutely. Do the work. And do the work in a way that when you get to the partner with the work, they're not saying, I have to do this all over again. Be thoughtful, but ask a whole lot of questions up front, but make sure you know what it is you're supposed to do, and then go do it.
Great advice. Richard McGinnis, regular contributor to the vlog. Even when you officially retire, we're still going to keep you on this thing. Thanks, Richard.
You're welcome.
Flexible in your career, be passionate about client service. I think if you find something that you're passionate about, I've certainly been passionate about the job that Doug, you and I do, and if you're flexible to kind of take opportunities to deliver your passion to clients, I think that goes a long way. Be flexible when those opportunities come up. I've been sort of all over the country, up and down the East Coast with PwC, and I think that passion is in and of itself kind of taking me here.
All right, so I have a lunch today with Dr. Alexis Crow. Alexis, I'll include her links below, is PwC's expert in geopolitical issues. So a lot going on in the world that she's been focusing on. So we're gonna go meet for lunch and talk about how my team and her team will be working together in my new role.
Piece of advice that I have is to be proactive about your career, to not just rely on your coach or relationship partner to give you advice and accept it kind of passively. You need to kind of know where you want to go and reach out not only to your coach and your relationship partner, but to others, people who might be able to help you achieve that goal.
Oh yeah, and then we also have a town hall for all of my partners and for the entire team at our Washington National Tax Services practice that I'm presenting at today. All right, so I just finished my panel discussion. Boy, we ended up having like over 200 something people attend, but here's the crew. That's where I presented. My fellow Washington colleagues.
You got to take your talents, your abilities in the technical space. You got to marry those with the technical skills of others to make sure you're right, or the ability to sell or deliver or do other things that other people have. And that collaboration, that teaming, is really what makes people successful. And I think it's a little bit of worrying not so much about yourself and advancing yourself, but advancing the firm, advancing the team around you. When you advance the team around you, that gets noticed. That shows leadership.
All right. The boosted board is absolutely the best way to commute to work every day. So let's head home. Rolling by the White House.
55 minutes on the clock.
Street artists. All right, home sweet home. There are 5 important things that I would suggest for anybody who's interested in making partner. First of all, be technical. Whatever profession you're into, learn it, know it. Try to be one of the foremost experts in your field. Number 2, develop relationships. The more people you know and the stronger relationships you have, the better your career is going to be. Number 3, consistently over-deliver. Whatever that client asks you, whatever that boss asks you, whatever anybody asks you, if you always try to deliver more than what they've asked, they'll come back again. 4, be a leader. There are all different types of ways to be a leader, but lead, right? Try to inspire others. The final piece of advice that I'd have for somebody that wants to make partner: find your passion. Be passionate about what you want to do and go after it. Amazing first week in my new home of Washington, D.C. We'll see you next week on another exciting edition of Doug Comes Live.